Hello, my name's Dan at Antiference, and here we are at ISE 2020. So we've got a new product range that we're launching for this year, and that is a storage solutions for consumables and tools. So it's a great solution that can either be mounted on the wall or into the back of a van, and the boxes which are secured while obviously you're out mobile can be released and opened like this, accessed from the drawer system itself. The dividers can be removed and the sizes of the compartments adjusted. These are great for any type of consumables, and it could be connectors, it could be plugs, it could be screws, cable ties, anything. So we have a slightly larger box in one of the other drawers, which would be more useful for larger consumables or tools. So the boxes simply slide out, they can be then lifted off and taken into the job. So, and then easily put back on and slid back into place. So more information can be found on our website at www.antiference.co.uk. Thank you.